This question is from C. Sundares, Mysore. He asks, there are two kinds of people, divine and demoniac. Why not divine people are immediately protected by Krishna? Like he gives the example of Prahlad that he has to undergo so many torture. So why did Krishna not protect him immediately?
Everyone, Krishna is saying in Bhagavad Gita very clearly that Kaunteya Pratijanigi Name Bhaktaka Pranashyati. O son of Kunti, you declare it boldly that my devotee will never perish. So that's what Krishna is saying. So if you are a devotee of Krishna, first thing is that we are not actually suffering, we are not getting disturbed by anything in this material world. That part we need to understand very carefully. Even Prahlad, actually, he's such a sincere devotee of Krishna, he was fully depending on Krishna only. So Krishna's leelas are very hard to understand. Even Krishna himself is very hard to understand. He says that Krishna is saying that Manushyanam Sagasresu Kaschit Yatati Siddhaye Yatatam Api Siddhanam Kaschin Mam Veti Tattvada. So out of 1 in 1,000, so 1 out of 1,000 only one in 1,000 will endeavor for perfection. And those who are endeavoring for perfection, hardly one knows me in truth. That's what Krishna is saying. So to understand Krishna completely is very, very difficult. So that way, this kind of questions, it's very difficult to answer because there are so many reasons. Krishna knows definitely. Whatever Krishna does, it is correct only. Nothing is wrong. So like that, we can ask so many questions. Why Arjuna's son Abhimanyu got killed in the battlefield? Why Krishna didn't protect Arjuna's son? Because Krishna himself says that Arjuna is my devotee. That's what he says. So that way we need to understand. We need to understand this point very well. So Krishna's leelas are actually, it's very difficult for us to understand. And but Krishna is saying in Bhagavad Gita very well that ultimately he protects. That's what is very important. So Krishna, and also Krishna is saying that Kshipram means quickly. So if we are devoted to Krishna quickly, Krishna does all those things. So here Krishna is definitely protected Prahlad. There is no doubt about it. And Krishna is definitely going to protect all the devotees. But the devotees really don't care. Devotees are really not bothered. So when Krishna is going to help them, because they go to Krishna out of love and devotion. So that's what is very important. When we submit ourselves to Krishna with the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, so at that point of time, we are not asking anything from Krishna. We are only asking service to please Krishna. So only that love and devotion. So that happens with the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. So that way, we are thinking that Prahlad was actually, he was affected, he was tortured, he was going through all these things. But he didn't feel like that. And every time that happens, every time Krishna protected. Every time. So every time, so many ways, Hiranyakashipu tried to kill Prahlad Maharaj. Every time Krishna protected, actually. So the reality is that this question is asking that why he is protecting at the end. So he killed Narsimhadev came and killed Hiranyakashipu at the end. That is true. But every time when Prahlad Maharaj was tortured, every time Krishna protected him. He never died. So that part we need to understand. So that way, Krishna always saves, and Krishna is saying in Bhagavad Gita that Shipram Bhavati Dharmatma Saswachantim Nigachati. So he quickly becomes righteous and attains everlasting peace of mind. So Saswachantim Nigachati. Kaunteya Pratijanigi Name Bhaktaga Pranasati. O son of Kunti, declare it boldly that my devotee will never perish. So that's what Krishna is saying. So we have to just believe in Bhagavad Gita, everything as it is. And our goal is here to understand Bhagavad Gita. So, as it is, as Krishna taught Bhagavad Gita, that's it. So, completely. So, only all these 700 slokas in 18 chapters, we are understanding. So, with this, what we understand very clearly, Krishna is saying that he is going to protect. There is no doubt about it. So, and the devotee, you will not ask anything from Krishna. The devotee will only show love and devotion to Krishna. That's it. So that way, if we depend on Krishna in that way, because everything is ultimately, he's the Supreme Personality of God. He is the Purushottama. Yomam evam asammodo jnanati Purushottama sasarvavid bhajati mam sarva bhavena bharata. Anyone who understands that I am the Purushottama. So without any doubt, if anyone understands that, he's the knower of everything and he worships me in all respects. That's what Krishna is saying. That. So that way, so this question is answered in a way that Krishna is definitely protecting, and Krishna definitely protected Prahlad also in each and every time when he was put into trouble. So that way, Krishna only can save us from this material veil. So we just have to get this knowledge and surrender unto Krishna with love and devotion, not out of fear, of course. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji. Hare Krishna.